Canva resources support educators to set themselves and their class up for everyday success in the learning environment. Use Canva to establish routines, expand learning, and support community and connection. Canva's virtual classrooms, daily agendas, and class schedules provide a foundation for learning and engagement. Leveraging Canva for daily routines aligns with ISTE Educator Standard 5, Designer. Canva supports the creation of authentic learning environments to support personalized learning across diverse needs. With Canva, educators can design personalized virtual classrooms that serve as the launching pad for students' learning activities in the digital environment. From Canva's homepage, educators can quickly access customizable templates that feature diverse themes. Select a template to personalize for your digital learning environment. The virtual classroom can be used to establish routines with features like the daily agenda. Through features such as embedding links to external resources, educators can use virtual classrooms to curate resources from multiple sources and expand the boundaries of learning for students. In addition to academic content, incorporating personalized shout-outs that celebrate students' personal and academic successes are a meaningful way to deepen community among the learners. And integrate custom elements like Bitmojis to bring the virtual classroom to life. Once virtual classrooms are complete, easily share with students with a link or an embed code for your learning management system or website. In addition to virtual classrooms, Canva provides a variety of templates for daily agendas, which can be used at the start of lessons. Educators can also create customized class schedules for personal use or use with learners. Like the virtual classrooms, the class schedules can be customized with features such as links and images and used in a variety of ways, such as for small group rotations, enrichment activities, or assessment schedules. Canva's virtual classrooms, class schedules, and daily agendas turn the ordinary into extraordinary for learners across contents and background.